Hello everybody, this is Michael. In this video, we will talk about the reduced solution 01 analysis for FPGA sequence detector. From previous video, we know we have two solutions for the sequence detector. One is the reduced solution, another one is the state machine. Okay. In this video, we will discuss the analysis for reduced solution. So, for the reduced solution, of course, we need one reducer. It's like this. Because our detector target is 11011, so the register is 5 bit from bit 0 to bit 4, bit 0, bit 1, bit 2, bit 3, bit 4 is 5 bit. Okay, so the initial value for this register is all 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. When one clock coming in this pin, in this clock pin, it will have one bit. This is the first bit is 1. Shift in from the sequence in pin. Shift into the register. Okay, shift into the register in this bit 0 position. Okay. So when the data shift into the register, we will compare the register value with our detector target. This is our detector target. This is our detector target. We will compare the register value with our detector target. If they are not equal, so this one not equal to this one, we will output 0. We will output 0 on the detector out pin. Okay. So we will compare the register value with our detector target on every clock. Okay. So next, we will shift another bit into the register. The original bit 0 value will shift into the bit 1. Okay, will shift into the bit 1. At the same time, we will compare the value with our detector target. Not equal, then output 0. Okay, so next, so another bit shift in. Next, another bit shift in. This is 4 clock. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, the last one. So when our detector target shift into the register, we will compare the register value with this number, and they are equal. So means we already detect our target. At this moment, we will output high level. We will output 1 on the detector out pin. On the detector out pin. Okay. The clock will continue running, and this bit stream data will continue shift into the register. So this is 0 shift in, and the original data will shift forward. At the same time, we will compare with our detector target. So at this moment, they are not equal, and then we will output 0 on the detector out pin. Okay, So by this way, by this register shift, we can detect the target in the bit stream data. Okay, so this is the whole idea for the register solution for the FPGA sequence detector.